We'll show you how to fix this problem. When you turn on your computer, you get this message, invalid partition table. This error happens when you install Windows 10 or 11 on a machine. In my case here, we have Dell. First thing to do is restart the computer. Here it asks me to restart, then press F2. You may need to press delete or F1 or F5, depends on your computer, so you can try any. And when the computer starts, you get this boot menu. Go to boot sequence, and here, as you can see, the boot list option is set to legacy, which give you these hard drive and whatever. And what we need to do is to change it to UEFI. So we have Windows Boot Manager. You take this one and apply, then exit, and let the computer restart. After restarting, it should boot to Windows, and we don't have to and we are not gonna get the same error message again. So let's see. And here we are, the login screen. I installed Windows 11 on this computer, and I got this error message. The previous operating system was Windows 7. And here you have it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and write a comment. Thank you for watching.